environmental audit. What is environmental audit? Basically, it is an audit which helps us to identify how the various industrial or else human activity is impacting in a negative way to the environment, and what are the measures that can be taken in order to reduce this negative impact. That is nothing but environmental audit. Okay, pause please. Let's quickly start with the next concept, that is disaster management. What is disaster management? Disaster management refers to various systematic planning, controlling and managing process which will help us to mitigate or reduce the harmful effect of the disaster or harmful consequences of the disaster. We are going to learn the various ways to prevent this disaster, as well as what are the measures which can be taken, the after effects of managing the disaster. Basically, when we would be learning the 4 crucial disaster as per our syllabus, mostly all this disaster will include pointers like risk assessment and hazard mapping, prevention and mitigation, community awareness program, preparedness and capacity building, response and emergency management, recovery and rehabilitation, risk communication and public engagement, and learning and adaptation. It means in order to mitigate, in order to reduce the harmful effects or its consequences from disaster, every disaster management includes what are the possible risks and what are the possible hazards that a particular disaster may give us. Apart from this, every disaster management techniques will always talk about what are the various ways to prevent those disasters. It will also talk about how we can actually create awareness among the community about how they can save their life during the crucial time wherein a small step can save their life as well as the life of their neighbor. So basically, these are the things, that is preparedness, responsiveness, quickly doing a rehabilitation of the people at the place of disaster will help us to manage the disaster in the best possible way. That's it.